While I'm reminiscing about old obsolete technology, does anybody remember in certain computers with a Realtek motherboard, particularly those with Windows XP, there used to be this Realtek HD audio manager from which you could open a menu and navigate to the sound test from which you could select loopy music or buzzing bee. And every time you click loopy music, it would go do 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 da da dum do da da do da da do. Oh, how I miss that French sounding bastard. But I also miss the buzzing bee. And yes, I also miss the fact that you could alter the pitch of it. So you'd have. And also and also